Find or read reviews that people are talking about YCKJNB 65-inch smartboard, 4K, UHD touchscreen display, electronic whiteboard built-in ultra-high definition camera, open app ecosystem. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Perfect office companion. YCKJNB smartboard combines a smart digital whiteboard and whiteboarding software, built-in 12-megapixel camera, 8 array mics and 2x20 watts speakers are best for video conference present. Classrooms and home learning. Presentation and annotation. 4K UHD touchscreen and stable infrared 20-point multi-touch, sensitive and precise response, you can easily make notes or erase them on images or documents as needed. Robust app ecosystem. YCKJNB Interactive Whiteboard Open Ecosystem allows you to download whichever apps or softwares are best for you to fulfill all your needs at work. It can also be used as a children's whiteboard or for home movie watching. Powerful meeting functionality. YCKJNB Smartboard supports up to 4 users to wireless screen projection, or by connecting in ports. Enhanced remote demonstrations and other third-party video conferences. Smart Whiteboard allows you to remotely explore, assist, and conceptualize together in different places. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.